Welcome to our magical rainforest. Look at all the beautiful colors everywhere. Are you ready for an adventure? Meet our 5 tiny bird friends, red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. They are looking for their families today. First, red bird flies through the trees. Her scarlet feathers leave a magical red trail in the air. Can you see it? Look, red bird found her family of friendly red macaws. They chirp happily to welcome her home. Red is a beautiful color. Next, bluebird glides over the sparkling blue lagoon. The water is so clear and cool. Found them. Bluebird is so happy to see her family near the big waterfall. Blue is the color of the sky. Yellow bird follows the golden sun to a tree full of yummy yellow mangoes. There is her family. Say yellow, green bird, and purple bird find their families too, deep inside the emerald leaves and violet flowers. Every color is special. The whole jungle is celebrating. Even the monkeys and sloths are waving hello to our colorful friends. Now, all the bird families gather together in the giant great tree. It is a wonderful party of colors. Look, when they fly together, they make a spectacular rainbow in the sky, with their glowing feathers so beautiful as the sun sets. Everyone is safe and happy with their families. Good night, colorful forest. See you next time.